Bueno, que bonito. Falando de sons, vos sabedes como fala o pato? E o perro? O gato? Moi ben. Pero seguro que non sabedes que fai o raposo. Que di o zorro? What does the fuck say? Acabades de flipar con meu inglés. Pois hoxe ímonos enterar.
Dog goes woof, cat goes meow, bird goes tweet, and mouse goes squeak. Cow goes moo, the frog goes croak, and the elephant goes toot. Ducks say quack, and fish go blub, and the seal goes ow, ow, ow. But there's no sound that no one knows. What does the fox say? What the fuck say? What the fuck say? Hatty hatty hat ho, hatty hatty hat ho, hatty hatty hat ho. What the fuck say? What the fuck say? Big blue eyes, pointy nose, chasing mice and digging holes. Tiny paws up the hill. Suddenly you're standing still. Your fur is red, so beautiful, like an angel in disguise. But if you meet a friendly host, will you communicate by Morse? How will you speak to that horse? What does the frog say?